we can start saying, can we actually make a meaningful impact if we implement these basic metabolic restoration strategies, proper evaluation testing, and then that information can then eventually be translated into larger communities. Okay, so what we're going to do in Moose Jaw, the rest of the world is going to benefit, because we're going to show people how you can reduce death rates, how you can reduce the incidence of certain diseases, how you can increase the vitality. And then from that awareness building process, okay, other communities can start building upon that. So you got to start someplace. And so if you want to pick a place that is about the right size, like it's kind of like the middle bear in the Goldilocks, right? It's just not too, it's just the right size. And it's in the right location. And so that's kind of what the Vitality Project is all about.
So if I'm understanding correctly, you're taking some of the protocols and the knowledge and the biochemistry and the science that you've been developing over your whole career, and you are giving it away to your community in Moose Jaw.
Correct.
Not at cost. You're just giving it away with the goal
Completely free.
of showing the impact on the health of the community at large by following the things that you've studied and the results that we've seen in the Restorative Health Center and in these case studies and these clinical trials. So you're bringing the best of the cutting edge, and you're just giving it to the community.
Correct, but they're going to work for it. Okay, so it's an engagement, it's an investment. It's saying, okay, here, we're part of a community. Let's show the world what we can do if we work together as a community. Okay, we're going to start with the autism and early childhood development, because that's the logical place to start, right? But I'm going to provide the technology. I'm going to provide the nutritional components of it, the testing capacity with the blood testing and the MRI capabilities. So I'm going to provide all that infrastructure at no charge. And we'll build, jobs and infrastructure in the city of Moose Jaw. And that's my contribution back to my hometown, fundamentally, right? So I've gone across the world. We're very successful here in California. And let's bring this stuff home and actually start using what we're good at, okay? We're good at a community. Moose Jaw is called the friendly city for a reason, because it is a friendly city, right? And we have all the problems everyone else in the world has. But somewhere, somehow, we have to start saying, you know what? We got to do something. And so I've been fortunate, okay? I've been blessed with, the ability to develop these technologies, the ability to actually build businesses to sustain this type of contribution, if you will. And then from there, we build out from it. So so that's kind of my, it's a win-win situation. So the community wins, we test, we validate, we show the world that these are reasonable, cost-effective strategies that we can implement in communities at large. But we've got to start someplace. And Moose Jaw is the place to start.